Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have a as a real number, and we have a plus 2 all power 5 plus a power 5 equals 82. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics. Then complete the video. So let's solve this equation. We have a plus 2 all power 5 plus a power 5 equals 82. Now supposing a equals x minus 1. So x minus 1 plus 2 all power 5 plus x minus 1 all power 5 equals 82. So x plus 1 all power 5 plus x minus 1 all power 5 minus 82 equals 0. Now we have two properties. So we will apply these properties in this example. So we got x power 4 plus 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 1 plus x power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 82 equals 0. And therefore 2x power 4 plus 12x squared plus 2 minus 82 equals 0. And therefore 2x power 4 plus 12x squared minus 18 equals 0. Now we multiply this equation by the number 1 divided by 2. So we got 1 divided by 2 times 2x power 4 plus 12x squared minus 18 equals 1 divided by 2 times 0. And therefore x power 4 plus 6x squared minus 14 equals 0. And we know that a plus b all squared equals e squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now we will try to find these properties in this example. So x squared all squared plus 2 times x squared times 3 plus 3 squared minus 3 squared minus 14 equals 0. Therefore x squared plus 3 all squared minus 9 minus 14 equals 0. And therefore x squared plus 3 all squared minus 49 equals 0. Therefore x squared plus 3 all squared minus 7 square equals 0. And we have e square minus b equals a minus b times a plus b. So we will apply these properties in this example. Therefore x square plus 3 minus 7 times x squared plus 3 plus 7 equals 0. Therefore x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 10 equals 0. We know that x squared greater than or equals 0. Therefore x squared plus 10 greater than or equal 10. So greater 0. Now we multiply this equation by the number 1 divided by x squared plus 10. So we got 1 divided by x squared plus 10 times x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 10 equals 0 times 1 divided by x squared plus 10. Now we simplify the numbers x squared plus 10. So we got x squared minus 4 equals 0. Therefore x squared minus 2 squared equals 0. So x minus 2 times x plus 2 equal 0. Now we have a product to the number that equals 0. So the number x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. X equals 2 or x equals minus 2. And we have a equals x minus 1. So a equals 2 minus 1. And therefore a equals 1. And we have a equals x minus 1. So a equals minus 2 minus 1. And therefore a equals minus 3. So the solution to this equation are minus 3 and 1. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.